What's up? And welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around on this wing that I made. This is version 2. I made some changes to it. First is the end plates. I'm not a fan of the boomerang end plates, so I switched them out to I made some carbon fiber end plates, as you can see right here. Just cut it out and slap them on. Second is I put the duckbill wing. I notched the wing so that the stands would fit. And as you can see right here, I'm pulling out the pins, showing you how I can tilt the spoiler so I can get to my trunk. It's not as easy as I would like it to be, but it works. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand. All right, there you go. And that's how it looked like with the wing down. Let's pop the trunk. There we go. Everything's accessible. And that's what it looks like. Oh, I also shortened the top of the wing. So I knocked off about 3 inches from the top. I wasn't a fan of it being over the roofline. You can see here it's a little bit more even with it. Alright, this is just a quick video, so let me know if you have any questions or anything. I'd be more than happy to answer them. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh, and one more thing. As far as visibility, I'm going to show it to you guys. Checking the visibility. You can't even see the wing. The only thing you see is the stand. If I can get this camera to focus. But yeah, you can't really see the wing at all, so you get good visibility. All right. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.